Good day, co-educados. Good day, everyone. For today's video, we will going to explore a productivity software application or tool for mathematics teaching and learning. So without further ado, let us start our session. So for today's session, I am going to explain to you what is FluidMath and its application. So what is FluidMath? FluidMath is a software product designed for teaching and learning basic algebra. FluidMath combines the familiar and natural experience of sketching math problems with the power of computer-generated solutions. Students and teachers can create, solve, graph, and animate math and physics problems in their own handwriting in a very easy way. For our learning competencies, we have Math 10 first quarter. Find the sum of the terms of a given arithmetic sequence. So we have here a practice problem. Given the arithmetic sequence -4, -1, 2, 5, and so on, find the sum of the 10th term of the sequence. So in solving this problem, we will going to use Math Fluid. So let us go to our FluidMath software. So this is FluidMath and I had already logged in a while ago. Then I had already put the series of the sequence and the formula that we are going to use in solving the problem. So based on the practice, we will going to find the sum of the 10th term of the given arithmetic sequence. But before we start solving the problem, let me just tell you that in our formula, the S sub in here stand for the sum of the arithmetic sequence. N is the total number of terms in the sequence. A sub 1 is the first term. And D is the common difference between the terms. So in the given problem, the value of A sub 1 and N are already given. So we have here A sub 1, A sub 1 is equal to -4. N is equal to 10. Okay, sorry for that. So let us erase this first. N is equal to 10. So let us first, because the value of our common difference is not given, so let us first find the value of D. So find D, solve for the value of D. So in finding the value of D, we will just subtract A sub 2. We will just subtract A sub 1 from A sub 2. So we have here D is equal to A sub 2 minus a sub 1 is equal to, okay, the second term is negative 1. So our a sub 2 is negative 1 minus our first term, which is negative 4. So let us change it to math right. So D is equal to negative 1 minus negative 4 is equal to positive 3. So we have now the value of our common difference, which is 3. So let us proceed now in solving the problem. So the first thing we need to do is substitution. So let us just substitute the value for n, a sub 1, and for the value of our common difference. So we have here s sub 10 is equal to 10 over 2 times 2 times negative 4 let's change this first, plus plus 10 minus 1 times 3. Just zoom out. So after substituting the values of a sub 1, n, and d on the formula, by just putting an arrow here, so by just putting an arrow here, it will show the value of the sum of the 10th term of the arithmetic sequence. So let us just put a arrow here. Let's change this first. Should be e close parenthesis. So as you can see, it shows that the sum of the 10th term is 95. So to check if the answer is right, let us now continue our solving. So S sub 10 is equal to, okay, ten over 2 times erase, should be open parenthesis. Okay, times 2 times negative 4. So, we can use FluidMath as our calculator also. So, it will show the answer. So, 2 times a negative 4. So, 2 times negative 4 is equal to negative 8. So, let us erase this first. So, 2 times negative 4 is equal to negative 8 plus 10 minus 1. So, we have here 9 times 3. Then, equals 10 over 2 times negative 8 plus, so 9 times 3, here, 9 times 3 is equal to 27. So, we have here 9 times 3 is equal to 27. So, is equal to 10 divided by 2 is equal to, okay, 5. 5 here times negative 8 plus 27. We have 19. And equals 5 times 19. So 5 times 19. Let's just erase this. Okay, 95. So we have here, so in our solving, S sub 10 is 95. And according to math fluid, the sum of the 10th term of the arithmetic sequence is 95. So we got the same answers. Therefore, the sum of the 10th term of the given arithmetic sequence is 95. And that's all for today's video. I hope that you have learned something today. Thank you for listening.